In topic 1, we learned about the ecosystem within which value decisions are made. Do you remember our 3 value decisions? Will you create value? Yes or no? For example, will you have a baby or not? Will you offer value? Will you accept value? When you make an independent decision, you may choose the information and assessment parameters that favors your desired outcome. But in a regulated environment, you do not determine those parameters entirely. On your own, government has already decided through a legislative framework which information and assessment must be applied when you are confronted with that value decision. The regulation does not necessarily decide whether your final answer must be may be yes or no. It determines how you must assess the decision before it arriving at the answer. When I woke up this morning and decided maybe I should buy some dagga, I could not simply make that value decision entirely on my own. Before I could say yes or no, I first had to move through the full regulatory landscape. Does the sovereign allow that type of value decision in South Africa? What does the legislation say I may or may not do? What rules apply within the relevant industry? And finally, what is the compliance environment in which that decision must live? That is the important point. Every value decision is made within a controlled information and assessment environment. To understand it properly, we must explore the sovereign view, the legislative view, the industry view, and a compliance view. A value decision is a decision to create value, offer value, or accept value. In each case, the purpose of the decision is to achieve a desired value outcome. Before that decision can be made, info must first be collected, considered, and applied. The process is called a value assessment. The important question is, who determines the parameters that must be used during the value assessment? If the assessment is uncontrolled, the individual decision maker determines the parameters. If it's structured, the parameters are determined by an operational structure such as the rules or procedures of a business. If it's regulated, government determines the parameters through a legislative framework. The type of value decision being made therefore determines whether the value assessment is uncontrolled, structured, or regulated. When a value decision is controlled, the regulatory dynamic involves 4 different views: the sovereign view, the legislative view, the industry view, and the compliance view. The regulatory dynamic tutorials is therefore divided into 4 parts so that we can explore each view separately. In this part of the lesson, we will focus on the sovereign view. The sovereign view tells us who decides which information and assessment must be made to make a yes or no value decision. Every value decision is made within a country, which means that it's influenced by that country's economic system. In South Africa, we operate within a free market economy. This means that people and businesses are generally free to create, offer, and accept value. Government only introduces regulation where it's necessary to achieve a particular economic objective. The South African economy is built on four important free market principles. First, market-driven pricing. Prices are determined by supply and demand rather than being controlled by the state. Second, open market entry. People and businesses should be free to enter the commercial market without unnecessary barriers. Third, fair competition. Businesses compete by offering better prices, quality and services without using unfair practices. Finally, reputation-based rewards. A business that operates efficiently, treats people fair, and provides a convenient service builds a good reputation, and the market rewards it with more business. So the sovereign generally allows us the freedom to make our own value decisions, but it may introduce regulation when that freedom must be controlled to achieve a next economic objective. Okay, so it was that. Okay. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna say there, hello, and then I'm gonna ask Cindy just to do the slideshows for this. And I think then that's the last one for now. It's like the first one, but I think it's a nice one. I think it's a good one. It's gonna help. Drink coffee. Siri mo ka din. Assistant. Well, I said, okay, in no. Hoeveel van die reeds is op wanneer?